Barbara from Farmington. Back in 2000, we purchased our first Subaru for our son, and that's where it all started. We've had 4 Subarus since, all from Mitchell. Yes, actually our first 2000 Subaru is still on the road. My husband drives it faithfully, and we've had very minor issues with it, basically maintenance. But he loves it and is not willing to give it up. Well, the Mitchell Auto Group, all the salespeople are wonderful. The finance people are great. It's just a pleasure working with all of them. I feel that they're very honest, trustworthy, and that's why we keep coming back. And it's a standard that we really have grown accustomed to. The service department's wonderful at Mitchell. All I have to say is very positive things about Mitchell in general. I would have to say it's just the name Mitchell, that it has such a good reputation. And we've checked others over the years, but we keep coming back to Mitchell for that reason.